Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Biren Patel and in today's video we're going to talk about Apple's new HomePod Mini. We're going to unbox it and we're going to talk about it. The first thing that I'd like to talk about is before I even open the box, the first thing I see here is some of Apple's UPC information. And the first thing I see is it's assembled in Vietnam. I really like that. So other items are marked thereon, it says. So let's start and unbox the new HomePod Mini. So let's see what we can get out of here. Okay, so we are pushing this. Does it go all the way? If it does, really great marketing in their box by Apple and whoever made it. Yeah, it looks like it does. That's really awesome. This is a cool box concept. I know that really doesn't matter to a lot of people, but to me it does. Yeah, that's awesome. So this is really good in terms of aesthetically being really pleasing. So first let's open it. Awesome. I gotta give it to the sound engineers for getting all that done. Do we need this? No. Okay, so this is a box to the HomePod Mini. This is gonna be the white version. On my channel, on the end of January, we are gonna do a giveaway of a HomePod Mini. So for what you have to do in order to join the giveaway for the HomePod Mini is subscribe down below to this channel. There's a link down below to my Instagram, and those are the two things that you need to do to qualify. So please subscribe to both of them. I guess you follow on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube. So let's see this. So, yes, it is made in Vietnam. That's awesome. I feel like this is my first Apple product that I have that's not made in China. Awesome. That's very awesome. That's great. All right, so let's get this plastic wrapper out of the unboxing. We don't need to keep waiting. So let's just say the first thing it says right on here, right where I'm reading this, is HomePod Mini. Siri helps you get things done from anywhere in the room. Enjoy amazing sound with Apple designed audio. Experience multi-room audio with AirPlay 2. Pair two HomePod Mini speakers for stereo sound. Intercom between home speakers and control your smart home. Requires iPhone SE or later. Cool. All right, let's get this box open. There we go. Okay, let's see this. So this is the unboxing of the speaker. All right, so right before we get I keep calling it the AirPod Mini. Hell no. This is the HomePod Mini. So first, what do we get in the box? We get a little cardboard thing that has nothing on it. And then this is what I saw earlier. So HomePod and a little pull off kind of a thing with a little bit of plastic going on. You do end up getting an Apple sticker. Oh, cool. I didn't even think there was one in here. And then a little bit of instructions. But here's the most coveted part that I still do not understand, but I do and I don't. A $99 HomePod Mini comes with one of these $20 bricks, but a $1,200 iPhone doesn't. Okay? Now here. Every company has a different method of hitting environmental standards, about hitting zero emissions. So instead of Apple trying to do zero emissions from stuff like the plastic that's right here, and it looks like they did change the plastic. So instead of trying to change the plastic here and all their inner stuff, this plastic and anything like that, they decided to, hey, if we just kick these out in return fully, we're able to meet our emission standards. So different companies do different things in order to hit their standards. There are other companies that would not compromise anything for their consumers, but instead they would try to do something else by themselves in order to hit zero emissions. So it's interesting seeing Apple trying to hit something great for the environment, but pushing it off to the consumers. That's just my thought. Everyone has different thoughts. I still love Apple. I've been using Apple since 2004 and probably will buy every single product for years to come. So now let's do something. Let's finally give the AirPod Mini some power. So while I'm holding it, I first want to tell you that it feels, wow, there's a braided cable. Can we get braided cables for Apple, please? Like, I would pay extra money just to buy a braided cable to charge my products because I end up having to put cable ties at the end and cable organizers and stuff that will end up not hurting the product. Let me know if you guys want to see any of that. Okay, so first let's use the 20 brick power brick that they give you. Now, is this power brick assembled in China and then sent to Vietnam? Or how does that all work? Who knows? So let's try to give it some power. Okay. All right. Something is happening. Something is happening. So pretty. All right, so we have unboxed our HomePod Mini, and I'm gonna get some of this stuff set up, and once I have it set up, let's see what we got going on. All right, hi guys. So I just wanted to add a little bit more to the HomePod video. So what do I... Okay, so one... I think it sounds really lovely. I really do. So I will say that it sounds great. The reason why first I decided to change up the way that I was filming is because I wanted to film something on the front-facing camera and see the difference between the front-facing 12 megapixel and then the 3 camera with the LiDAR on the back. So this is going to be a little bit different from the rest. It is still shot on the 12 Pro Max. So I really have to say that this is a really powerful speaker. I will add that music sounds really great with this. It still sounds really great going through walls into the next room. I was setting everything up and I already had family members going, what are you using? What are you using? I'm not even lying. So I will tell you that this thing has really great sound. The other thing that I think people might ask is this thing going to be durable? It doesn't have a removable cable here. It's a braided cable. It doesn't come off, so please don't try to pull it off of this end or anything like that. The wrap that is over, it does feel like a cloth or something very soft. My only concern now is what if I accidentally drop something on here and it's white mesh? So that's probably going to be the reason why I used the space gray one and not this one. However, this is definitely going to be my go-to speaker now. The only thing that I really wish Apple did is, I'm sure in the next generation this will happen, but if there was a battery included in here so you don't always have to have it plugged here, because a lot of portable speakers these days exist for such a small price. So I definitely think that it could be done. Now I understand that the technology would have to be a little bit different than it is currently, the way that it's set up. The way that it works, it doesn't require a battery system and all that. But for example, let's just say that this thing didn't have a cable, so it kind of just looked like this. Imagine this without the cable, just a little softball, I guess. And if it had a couple hours of battery and a couple hours of charge, I feel like that would be really beneficial for people. As of right now, it doesn't. As of right now, it's kind of just being through the cable. It has a USB-C on the other end, so you could just plug this into an iPad, I believe, or a Mac. I know you can, and just use it like that. So that's definitely a way it can be done. But right now I do have the 20 watt connected to it and plugged into the wall directly. So I think that's probably going to be the only concern, is where you can place this product. You know, instead of just having it sit out on a table, you kind of have to make sure that the cable is either hidden or it's just in a way that's going to be accessible or whatever. So I think that this is going to be a really great speaker that a lot of people are going to enjoy. I think the price point is perfect. It's being sold at $99, so right around like $105 to $110 with taxes and stuff. Now, when you think about that, let's say third-party people like Best Buy and Costco and Walmart and Target and all, probably in the future we'll have a sale on this, whether it's like $10 or $20 cheaper. I think that will be a great thing. Having a speaker being sold with a 20 watt adapter for maybe in the future on a sale for like $80 or $90, I think will be really great for all the people that end up buying the Apple products after a year or so. So currently, like for example, if you are trying to buy AirPods Pro or the AirPods 2, I believe, like at Costco, it's like $50 cheaper for the Pro, and then I really want to say that it's like $45 or $40 cheaper for the regular AirPods. So you do end up getting discounts when you buy Apple products after a while. So right now, while this product is $100, probably next year this product will be $80 somewhere. And a few years from now, this product, we'll see, I guess. We'll see what happens in a few years from now, because not everything that's created by these companies ends up being like remaining forever, right? Like not everything can stay selling crazy. Not everything is that way. So for example, when you look at Apple's sales of iPhones, back in the day, they used to be selling iPhones to, back in the day, they used to sell iPhones to a greater extent. It cost more percentage of the revenue. And when you compare that to like today, there are many different ways Apple gets money. Apple even gets money by not selling anything. How do you think the guys make money from not selling anything? Data. I guess data could be a whole separate video or a theme. I'm actually in school where I get to learn by all this kind of information. So perhaps in the future we'll talk about this concept, right? All right, guys. So this is going to be the end of the HomePod Mini unboxing and just a quick review. I'm going to try to do another video where I talk about the tips and tricks of it, because there's a few little things that you can do with Bluetooth and the NFC chips that really do aid the use of the little HomePod Mini. But again, like I mentioned earlier in the video, we are going to do a giveaway at the end of January for a little HomePod Mini. There is two basic things that we ask you to do is if you follow this channel, and also if you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, leave a message down below or shoot me an Instagram message letting me know that you're interested into this giveaway. And that's all we have to do. Continue please checking out my videos. I'm gonna have a studio tour. If anyone's watching till this point, first of all, thank you so much. Leave a comment if you're actually watching this late. I want you to leave a dolphin emoji in the bottom if you are watching till this late. Let's see. I wanna see how many people actually make it to this part of the video. So in the upcoming weeks, I'm actually gonna have a tour of a new city that's coming up. I am gonna be having some cruise ship videos, a little secret about cruise ships and Princess Cruises. Again, thank you to Princess Cruises beforehand, before I even start that whole vlog series. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And again, this last part was shot with the iPhone 12 Pro Max front-facing camera. So thank you again to everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe down below to this channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you, everyone.